carport with a large bodega. Very modern feel to it. You walk in underneath beautiful pergola top. Beautiful ron door. And into a very open floor plan. You have a waterfall here. Non-stick porcelana. Beautiful Chinese golden flecked glass tile in the pool. Overlooking an unobstructed, amazing sunset view. Outdoor dining room. Amazing gourmet kitchen. Open living area. TV area with entrance to the 2 lower bathrooms, or excuse me, bedrooms. Beautiful silestone countertops. Amazing views. All the windows tempered glass that's shut. Amazing teak island eating bench. Very open floor plan. Beautiful teak deck overlooking Dominicalito Cove, sunset, gigantic Guanacaste, glass countertop into the kitchen, ice maker, dirty floor, sorry. Everything here is touch open, so just very easy touch, easy glide open. Porcelana, walking this way into fantastic bodega that's not clean, sorry, washer and dryer, freezer, and the barbecue stored here in between rentals. Downstairs in this house, let's start with just the downstairs bunk room that is closed off with a fabulous soji door. So this is the 4th bedroom in this house. And it, right now, has a double on the bottom, single on the top. Outside of the living room is the first suite, which is a king-size suite with a fantastic interchangeable door system where you can walk out onto a deck or just walk out and jump straight into the pool. They just easy glide. Walking out into the pool. So again here you have the easy door system, all tempered glass, bodega, covered it, a little area, sun deck area, outdoor little shower. Walking into this bedroom, into a fabulous bathroom with the closet inside. Fabulous floors, mirror, and check out this tile. Whoa! Amazing. Absolutely amazing. purple, gray, blue glass tiles. Very high-end, absolutely fantastic. Teak bench. Powder room is a very simple backsplash. Ooh, looks like we need a mirror here. Slate. Walk upstairs into another living room with fabulous windows that overlook the jungle. Little seating area to walkout deck. Walking into the first master blaster bedroom of the big house. The bathroom is closed off by beautiful Soji, which could also close off the other master. Walking into the master bathroom. Open windows that overlook the jungle. Everything shut off, of course. Beautiful glass tile onto slate floors, black slate. Beautiful double showers. And when you're sitting in the bathtub, you have complete view of the jungle and the ocean. In the master, walk out into beautiful private deck overlooking, again, one of the most beautiful views in Costa Rica. Stunning, absolutely stunning. And the upstairs here, out of the first master into the second master. Beautiful, beautiful. This bed is facing one of the most beautiful views. Absolutely stunning. Open window to an amazing mountainside. Sweeping view. Walk-in closet, off the bathroom, and again, check out that view. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful Guanacosta tree, little garden, and downstairs you also have a great little outdoor shower. Okay, off of this bathroom, this fantastic Coke bottle glass sink with ron wood. Absolutely stunning. Moving into one of my favorite bathrooms, even though it's kind of modest. Great bamboo tiles mixed with glass. All the way up to the ceiling. Fantastic double shower head overlooking the jungle. With a walk-in closet on. Okay, this is the big house. Two bedrooms up, two bedrooms down, two living rooms, kitchen, beautiful pool. Speaking of beautiful pools, here it is. Here it is from the back.
Oh my gosh, I'm not going to go downstairs again. I got a picture of this so
One more time in this bedroom, look at that. Bam. And you're on the beautiful kitchen, looking at the sunset. Here's the house in full, in the back, upstairs, roofs, gutters, down, kitchen, closable windows, as you can see, living room door shut, all in one, the pool. And this is all slope managed, growing in, beautiful, unobstructed jungle. As you can see, the nighttime lighting is stunning.